The vibrant ingredients in this breakfast bowl are key to its appeal. Using fresh and colorful vegetables not only makes the dish look inviting but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. Spinach is rich in iron, bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, and zucchini adds fiber and hydration. Avocado slices bring a creamy texture, contributing healthy fats that are beneficial for heart health. The grains, whether quinoa or brown rice, serve as a wholesome foundation, offering complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. It's a versatile recipe, allowing you to adapt the vegetables based on what you have on hand or what's in season. Preparation made simple. Preparing this breakfast bowl is a straightforward process that can fit into even the busiest of mornings. Start by cooking your choice of grains if they aren't already prepared. While they are cooking, sauté the mixed vegetables in olive oil until they are vibrant and tender, which typically takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking the eggs separately allows for customization. Whether you prefer them sunny side up, scrambled, or over easy, you can choose your favorite style. This flexibility makes it easy to cater to different tastes in your household. Once everything is cooked, assembling the bowl is quick and simple, making it an approachable option for breakfast. This recipe is highly adaptable, enabling you to make it your own. Feel free to experiment with different vegetable combinations based on your preferences or what you have in your fridge. For a bit of heat, consider adding hot sauce or salsa, which can complement the flavors beautifully. If you're looking for a heartier meal, you can also incorporate additional toppings such as feta cheese or seeds for extra crunch. This flexibility means you can enjoy this breakfast bowl in numerous ways without getting bored of the same flavors. Meal prep for busy mornings. One of the great benefits of this savory breakfast bowl is its suitability for meal prep. You can prepare a larger batch of quinoa and sautéed vegetables in advance. Store them in the refrigerator, and when morning arrives, simply heat the ingredients and top with a fresh egg. This method ensures you can enjoy a nutritious breakfast even on hectic days. Having components ready to go minimizes cooking time and allows you to focus on enjoying your meal rather than rushing to prepare it. Enjoying the flavorful experience when serving this breakfast bowl, presentation matters. Arrange the grains, vegetables, and egg artfully in a rustic bowl to create an inviting meal. A fork placed beside the bowl beckons you to dig in, ready to experience the delightful combination of flavors and textures. Each bite offers a satisfying blend of warm quinoa, fresh vegetables, and rich egg, making breakfast an enjoyable and nourishing experience. Whether you savor it quietly or share with family, this bowl is sure to brighten your morning routine. This nourishing breakfast bowl features a base of whole grains topped with sautéed vegetables, a fried egg, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's savory, satisfying, and full of flavor, making it a delightful choice for a healthy start to your day. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice. 2. 1 cup mixed vegetables, spinach, bell peppers, zucchini, etc. 3. 2 large eggs. 4. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. 6. Fresh herbs, parsley or cilantro, for garnish. 7. Avocado slices, optional. 8. Hot sauce or salsa, optional. 1. Cook the grains. If not already cooked, prepare quinoa or brown rice according to package instructions. 2. Sauté vegetables. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add mixed vegetables and sauté until they're tender and vibrant, about 5-7 minutes. 2. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Fry the eggs. In another pan, fry the eggs to your liking, sunny side up, over easy, or scrambled. 4. Assemble the bowl. In a serving bowl, layer the cooked grains first, then add the sautéed vegetables on top. 4. Place the fried eggs over the veggies. 5. Garnish. Top with fresh herbs, avocado slices, and a drizzle of hot sauce or salsa if desired. 6. Serve. Enjoy your nourishing savory breakfast bowl while it's warm. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 10 minutes.